ki khubor ka Batisi TV lawan ra shapi da ka Orange Nissan Loom so pho near Fire Brigade Shillong
Ulat ke Jylla usatia pal Malik hagasngi tho dieng Jong ka arf khondai trik bunai risau arajar arfway ula Shah kup buram kum chief patron Jong ka Meghalaya Bharat Scouts and Guides hagajing yalang ka balalong ha Dorbar Hall Jong ka Raj Bhavan Shillong hagani gasngi la sakhi lang ru dau State Chief Commissioner Jong ka Meghalaya Bharat Scouts and Guides uba Donald P Walang bat kiwe
On my honor, I promise that
I
will do my best
that I will do my best
to do my duty
to
God and my country,
to
help other people, and to obey the Scout law.
the Scout.
The Scouts and Guides is an educational movement for young people which complements the missing part of the school and college education of a child or youth concerning moral education, human values, feelings, work culture, social commitment and discipline. As of now, the Scout and Guides movement from the national headquarters in New Delhi has given and has started a new project to increase the membership growth of the Scouts and Guides in the country to a mammoth total of 1 crore membership, and this is to be achieved by 2025. In this regard, we have issued instructions to all the schools, colleges and universities in the state to identify faculty members and also to prep up the students to join as beginners and thereafter to form units in their respective institutions. It is our concerted effort to bring this movement forward, to push it, because it is a very important movement right from the year 1909 when it started and gained affiliation in 1938 in our country. It is a movement with no discrimination to any sex, caste, creed, gender, and it is a movement where important value systems are incorporated in the students to achieve and ensure self-sustainability as individuals and play a key role in building a constructive society. So as the Chief Patron, we look forward to your induction today, and I'm sure with your very wide experience in various fields, you will give us the right inputs and encouragement to bring this movement to greater heights and greater glory in the state of Meghalaya. With these few words, I welcome all of you who are present here this morning to this very important occasion, and a special welcome to our Chief Patron to be inducted, Shri Satyapal Malikji. Thank you.
We are so happy that you could be here, sir, with us today, and it is really a pleasure that we could induct you today. It is a greetings to all of you members of the movement here who are gathered today, and we are so happy that when we met you, sir, last time, you gave us this day where we can induct you as a Chief Patron, where you'll be or ambassador for our movement, the Meghalaya Bharat Scout and Guide. We are so happy that we can be here with you, and greetings especially. This day actually we thought of having it on the Foundation Day on the 7th of November, but sir, when we met you, you are not going to be here with us, and so a special greetings to you as you go for your happy Diwali. And especially we would like you, sir, to get a better health and strength. We are so happy that we can be with you today, and it is an immense pleasure for me as a State Commissioner's Scout that I could really give greetings to all of you. Thank you, sir, DP Walang, who is our State Chief, who have given that wonderful welcome address, and I hope that this function It will not be too long because of Sir's health also. We wish that this function will be a success today, and we wish you especially a very good health in future, sir, so that you can be real an ambassador to all movement and you can help the young ones where we can build the character so that we will have a better place to live in. With these few words, I would like to greet all of you for having come to this particular induction ceremony today.
My fellow members of this Bharat Scouts and Guides, at the outset I would like to express my deepest joy on being inducted and installed as Chief Patron of the Meghalaya Bharat Scouts and Guides. I understand that the Bharat Scouts and Guides is a benevolent organization for young people as well as the community. I hope to be able to support the movement in its journey to better the society and young people alike, as done by my fellow predecessors and colleagues of other states. It would be prudent to place on record the various efforts of movement in tackling the COVID-19 pandemic as well as the central government initiatives of Fit India movement, Khelo India and Azadi Ka Amrit Mahotsav, to name a few, and I urge upon each and every member to span out its arms in more such initiatives and utilize the young people's force to motivate and generate awareness among the general masses. I am made to understand that the Bharat Scouts and Guides also has its activities of messengers of peace. This is a step forward in fostering comradeship through peace actions. The thrust of action on the sustainable development goals also shows that the development of the country requires collective effort and not just of the government. Thus, I encourage continuing your work in these areas. We are lucky to have a visionary Prime Minister in the form of Narendra Modi, whose many bright initiatives have helped greatly for the general population, and we should come forward and avail those benefits as well as encourage others to do the same. Our independence veterans have great hope in works of the Scouts and Guides, to name a few: Mahatma Gandhi, Pandit H.N. Kunjru, Pandit Madan Mohan Malviya, Pandit Shri Ram Vajpayee, Justice Vivian Bose and Jawaharlal Nehru have utilized the efforts of the Scouts and Guides to bring harmony in the country post-partition India. This example should be repeated now and again as we celebrate the 75th Independence Day of India. In the next year, the state of Meghalaya will celebrate the Golden Jubilee of statehood. The movement should come with good activities to celebrate this jubilation. More young people should be encouraged to join the movement so that its works must have a scaling effort to more people. With these few words, I thank you all and again express my joy in being a part of the movement. I want to share a thing with you. When I was in college, I went to Pushkar from Ajmer. There is a forest between Ajmer and Pushkar. There, yearly there is a camp of scouts. So I was very fascinated with their activities and I spent the whole day there. When I went back to my college, I asked my principal, can I be a scout? He said, we don't have this Scouts and Guide program. I joined NCC, became senior under officer of NCC, but I always missed in my life to be a member of Scouts and Guides, and today I feel lucky that at this fag end of my life, I am your member. Thank you.
This is the time to spread out the word. Love, peace, tolerance, understand. Bring the love and peace and harmony. Together we can change the world. Still fast birds in charge. Roll your sleeves up, let's get started. Together we can change the world. Together we can change the world. Change your mind and change your life. Set aside the fear and strife. Together we can change the world. When we open up our eyes, then we start to realize. Together we can change the world. Change the world. And to live up, let's change our soul. Asking for your change the world. Together we can change the world. Change the world. That's where it's been changed. Roll your sleeves up, let's get started. Together we can change the world. Change the world. And to live up, let's change our soul. Asking for your change the world. Together we can change the world. Change the world. That's where it's been changed. Roll your sleeves up, let's get started. Together we can change the world. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8. I believe it's not too late. Together we can change the world. तव शुभ नाम में जागे, तव शुभ आशीष मांगे, गाए तव जय गाथा। जय मंगलदायक जय हे भारत भाग्य